Have you ever heard of a tiny animal that can generate thousands of dollars in profit each month? Today, I'm going to share some valuable insights on how to raise chevrotains effectively based on what I've learned from top farms across Southeast Asia. If you're interested, drop a 1 in the comments. Let's get started. When starting to raise chevrotains, the most important thing is to create a suitable environment where they can grow naturally, comfortably, and healthily. An ideal habitat not only helps them adapt quickly, but also reduces stress, allowing them to thrive better. To ensure that chevrotains have enough space to move around, an area of approximately 50 square meters is suitable for 3 to 4 individuals. With this space, they can move freely, forage for food, and exhibit their natural behaviors without restrictions. The enclosure should be made of sturdy wire mesh, ensuring the safety of the chevrotains while preventing other animals from entering. The ground should be covered with a layer of soft soil, allowing them to dig instinctively and feel more connected to their natural environment. Planting greenery around the enclosure not only provides shade, but also makes the living space more natural for the chevrotains. The tree canopy offers shelter, reduces stress, and helps them feel safer in captivity. Chevrotains adapt well to tropical climates, but to ensure their healthy development, it's essential to maintain a stable temperature between 72 and 82 degrees Fahrenheit in the enclosure. Additionally, an ideal humidity level of 60 to 80% helps recreate their natural habitat, preventing dry conditions that could negatively impact their health. Although chevrotains can adapt well, they still need a sheltered area to protect them from rain, especially during prolonged rainy seasons. This helps reduce the risk of illness caused by excessive moisture and ensures they remain comfortable. Chevrotains primarily feed on fresh greens in commercial feed, but the quality of their food must always be fresh to maintain their health and digestion. Each chevrotain consumes approximately 2.2 to 4.4 pounds of fresh food per day, mainly consisting of cabbage leaves, lettuce, or Napier grass. On average, each individual requires around 132 to 264 pounds of food per month, depending on their age and physical condition. In addition to food, chevrotains need a continuous supply of clean water, consuming approximately 1 to 1.5 liters, 34 to 51 ounces per day. This helps maintain their metabolism and prevents dehydration in hot and humid conditions. In addition to fresh greens, chevrotains also need a small amount of pellet feed to provide essential vitamins and minerals. This ensures they receive adequate nutrients, boosts their immune system, and supports healthier growth. According to farm owners, the total cost of caring for chevrotains can range from $200 to $300 per month, including fresh food, supplemental feed, and healthcare expenses. Regular health monitoring is crucial to detect early signs of abnormalities, such as loss of appetite, fatigue, or symptoms of illness. Some common diseases in Chevrotains include pneumonia, often occurs due to sudden changes in temperature and humidity. Diarrhea, mainly caused by spoiled food or a weak digestive system. Parasites includes intestinal worms and skin parasites such as ticks and mites. To minimize risks, farm staff regularly vaccinate and deworm the Chevrotains to protect their health. Maintaining a clean enclosure is essential, ensuring that leftover food does not ferment and preventing damp conditions that could lead to mold growth. Chevrotains have a fast reproductive cycle, lasting only 30 to 35 days, allowing them to breed multiple times a year. This is a key trait that enables the herd to grow rapidly when raised in optimal conditions. The gestation period of Chevrotains is relatively short, lasting only about 3 weeks, after which the mother gives birth to 1 to 2 offspring. Although the litter size is small, the high survival rate is ensured by the mother's dedicated care. After birth, the young Chevrotains go through a nursing phase and gradually learn to adapt to their surroundings. During the first 4 to 6 weeks, the mother stays close, protecting and guiding them on how to forage and survive in their environment. After 6 weeks of age, young Chevrotains become more independent, able to forage on their own and move around agilely. However, they still tend to stay close to their mother for a short period for protection and gradual adaptation to independent life. Do you think these baby Chevrotains are adorable? If so, drop a 1 in the comments. Not only are Chevrotains a unique species, but raising them also offers high economic value, serving both as exotic pets and a promising business opportunity. I once met a Chevrotain breeder in Thailand. Initially, he started with just 10 Chevrotains, raising them as an experiment in a small backyard. After a year, thanks to thorough research on habitat and diet, his herd grew rapidly. Today, he has expanded his farm to hundreds of Chevrotains, generating a stable monthly income of thousands of dollars by selling breeding stock and supplying meat to high-end restaurants. This proves that with the right knowledge and proper care, Chevrotain farming can be a highly profitable business model. Chevrotain meat is considered a special delicacy in cuisine, especially in many regions across Asia. With a price reaching up to $231 per pound, Chevrotains not only hold biological value, but also provide significant profits for farmers. Depending on the market and local food culture, chevrotain meat can be turned into a variety of delicious dishes. One of the most popular is grilled chevrotain, seasoned with special spices, featuring tender, aromatic meat soaked in rich flavor. It's also commonly dried to extend shelf life, creating a unique regional delicacy. For those who love bold and spicy flavors, stir-fried chevrotain with lemongrass and chili is a fantastic option, offering a mouth-watering mix of the meat's natural sweetness and the fragrant heat of lemongrass and chili. These dishes not only showcase the richness in cooking methods, but also contribute to the diversity of culinary culture in each region. That's why raising chevrotains is not just an exciting experience, but also opens up many attractive economic opportunities for those passionate about animal farming and specialty food businesses. A remarkable story comes from a wildlife sanctuary in Indonesia. Experts discovered a wounded Javan chevrotain that had been caught in a poacher's trap. After months of care and rehabilitation, it was successfully released back into the wild. This highlights that even though the species is facing the threat of extinction, with human support and cooperation, they still have a chance to survive and thrive. Although it's a small and little-known animal, the global population of chevrotains is rapidly declining, with only around 5,000 to 10,000 individuals left in the wild. According to the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, the species is currently listed as vulnerable, V, signaling an uncertain future if timely conservation measures are not taken. The primary cause of the chevrotain's population decline is illegal hunting by humans. In addition, the presence and competition from invasive alien species have also reduced their natural habitat, pushing the species closer to the brink of danger. Among the various chevrotain species, the Javan chevrotain is facing a critically endangered status. They are primarily found on the islands of Java and Sumatra in Indonesia, but their wild population has dwindled to just around 250 to 2,500 individuals. This sharp decline is mainly due to habitat loss caused by deforestation and expanding urban development. In response to this critical situation, the Indonesian government, along with international conservation organizations, is implementing various measures to protect the Javan chevrotain, including establishing protected areas to create safe habitats where chevrotains can breed and thrive, raising public awareness to help communities better understand the ecological importance of chevrotains, thereby reducing illegal hunting activities. These efforts play a vital role in ensuring the survival of the chevrotain species, helping them avoid the risk of extinction in the future. Without timely intervention, the world could lose a unique animal, further diminishing the planet's biodiversity.